Ki khubor ka Batesi TV.
Ka umdi basnyam bat penjaslian. Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
Together we achieve, together we can fly, reaching for the sky.
Phah University, Meghalaya.
UMLA ke BGP na panthor khara constituency uba ILHeng haka arp khondai terik ujaliu arjar phanriu ulaong pakajing Phah Myntri rang badu kari Narendra Modi yaki Myntri Sorkar sya Meghalaya kalong ringkat bagi song Pynroi bat menta ka song pat saha ka Sorkar jela kumno ban pentikena bayagi song jingarap belayu Pdeng on Myntri kam haka rukom ka badai ulaong bawa ke NPP ke babat yu lakam sensyar kala ban kam terai Henry kipat ba kidi bantip badai hi Myntri rang badu kari naka parti BGP uba ai kisong Pynroi syakani kejela.
At the beginning, I would like to thank the Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi ji for sending marathons of Union Minister to Meghalaya with a package for development. So now it is a responsibility and duty of our state government, MDA government, how we can implement those packages which are sent through the NDA government for implementations.
But don't you think that NDP always takes credit for all this?
Take what?
Credit.
See, credit, any political party can take credit, but everybody knew that. This is all a scheme came from our Prime Ministers of BJP. Okay, he is a Prime Minister of NDA, of course, but he is from a BJP party. So whatever they have been doing, it is the blessings of the BJP at the center. So that is because we have a different department. Suppose now if the scheme comes to PWD department, they have their own way of executing the work, the implementations of work. So if they come to health department, the health department has its own way for implementations and all. So we don't have any, once the department, we have a full trust to the department. All the departments. Suppose the schemes, the central government has sent the package to PWD. So we have the trust to the PWD department to will do the needful that all the scheme which are sent from the central government, it reach out to the people. Suppose it is from the health department. It is a duty of the health minister and honorable health minister and also the health department to implement the scheme. So it has to reach out to people. We are concerned that all the scheme, which is the package of the different scheme of different political the department and the different minister has sent the package to the state of Meghalaya. It is a duty and responsibility of the state government to implement the scheme, and we also that all the schemes should reach out to the people. There's no related with elections. And this is the development. Development anytime, any moment. We also are looking for a lot of development coming to Meghalaya, particularly in the tourism sector, and the sports sector, health sector. So we are request to the union government under the leadership of our Honorable Prime Minister to send as much as possible as been doing also. They have sent a marathons of the union minister with the packages to Meghalaya for the developments of our states. So we also from the party, we also pursuing the same matter for the all-round development of the state of Meghalaya.
Mornings are always busy. Everything feels fast. I hear mom shouting and I'm trying not to be late. Outside, Shillong is already awake. Cars move slowly, horns are loud. It feels like everyone is in a hurry. Then the STEMS bus comes in, bright and yellow, always on time. The caretaker waves and I feel okay. Inside, we laugh and sing. We share snacks, we help each other with homework. It feels nice. My parents know I'm safe through the STEMS app on mom's phone. Because this bus isn't just a ride. It takes us to school with friends and a little bit of hope. This is STEMS, our right, our future.